In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit videos in Canva for beginners. If you're new to the world of video editing, Canva offers an incredibly user-friendly platform that makes the process straightforward and enjoyable. So let's dive into this step-by-step guide and have some fun transforming your raw footage into a polished video. First, let's start by accessing Canva and navigating to the main dashboard. Once you're there, look to the side panel where you can see various options. You're going to want to click on the Upload section. This is where all the magic begins, as it's the portal through which you'll bring your video files onto the platform. After clicking on Uploads, head over to the Videos tab. This tab is specifically designed for video content, making it easy to locate and manage your media files. Make sure the video you wish to edit is already uploaded here. If it's not, click Upload and select your file from your device. Once your video is uploaded, you simply need to drag and drop it onto the Canva workspace. This step is incredibly intuitive. Just select the video and drag it into the editing area. Canva will automatically place it on your timeline, setting you up to start the detailed editing processes. Now let's adjust the duration of your clip to ensure it fits just right into your storytelling. At the bottom of your video in the workspace, you'll see a duration option. Click on it to make precise adjustments. This lets you easily trim or extend the length of your footage. You can simply drag the ends of the video left or right to increase or decrease its duration, offering you complete control over the timing. If you're looking to tweak how fast your video plays, Canva has another great feature. Look for the speed icon, which allows you to alter the pace. By clicking on this icon, you'll see a video speed slider appear. Adjust this slider to speed up or slow down your footage depending on the effect you are aiming for. Whether you're looking to create a quick montage or slow down to highlight a moment, this tool is at your disposal. And there you have it. By following these easy steps, you can successfully edit videos in Canva, making it perfect for even the most beginner editors. Play around with these features, experiment with different adjustments, and you'll quickly become comfortable with the editing capabilities Canva has to offer. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep experimenting and eventually you'll master the art of video editing in Canva. Thanks for tuning in and happy editing.